ساسا gabdhaha fiir waa la celiyaa weliga ciyaalaha maarad gabdhaha ma kaartid inaa celisid waa la bax weyn cibi wax buriyo fiiriya game ka dhila fiiriya game ka dhila fiiriya game ka dhila cawad fiiri adu game ani bara ani mugudba imali simano game ani bara fiirsa game caadani bara
Hello?
Skip please skip it skip I don't want to talk to you please.
Why?
I don't want to talk to you please skip it.
Why are you so mean?
I'm not single. I'm not single. Skip, please.
I'm not even trying to.
I don't care. Just leave.
talking.
Can you leave, please? Leave.
No.
Oh my
No, I
god, bro. Oh my. Hey, leave.
No.
Nah, mukurabi. Leave, please.
Why?
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu. I don't want you. That's why. Habada. I'm not single.
I don't want you either.
Leave that. Oh, you don't want me to just leave. You see, you want me. You want me, bro. You want me.
No.
Leave them. Leave. Nah, ala tullah alek. Leave.
But it's very funny when you get mad.
Oh my god. Listen, wallahi, oh billah, oh tallah, me no want you. Me no want you, leave. Me no single. Me have 4 wives, leave.
4.
Nah, leave, please. I don't want to talk to you.
Why do you have 4 wives?
Why you even question me? You see now, you want me. Why do you want to know my business, bro? Why do you want to know my business? Why do you want to know my business?
Because it's disrespectful to have 4 wives.
Oh my god, bro. Please, I don't want to talk to you. Sana ko hesanena.
Why don't you just skip?
Listen, how old are you? Fala, listen, forgot all of that. Forgot what I was saying. How old are you?
I'm 20.
Wow. You must be Russian. Are you Russian?
No, I'm Swedish.
You Swedish? What's your name?
Alva.
Alva. Wow, even my name is even my name is B. You Alpha B. Alpha B. Wow.
Alpha.
Wow.
Yeah.
I like that. Okay. Listen, I was joking before whatever I was saying, right? So I'm trying to get to know you. Now. I'm trying to get to know you, Nick.
Okay. Do you have 4 wives?
No, I was joking. I'm not even married. I'm not even married. I was joking what I was saying before. I was trolling, innit? Do you get me? But I see you how nice you are. I see you how sweet you are, and you're so gorgeous. I can't see you, all of you, innit? But I can see your face. I can see your character. You so nice. Do you get me?
Yeah.
And I like that.
Thank you.
So I got you snap or what? La ilaha illallah Muhammad. قفت بانيسي سروات ساسا.
Hello, mate.